Did you know that most people who retire early don't actually choose to? It's a reality that sneaks up on millions, often leaving them financially and emotionally unprepared. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Leaving the 9 to 5 grind behind for a life of leisure. But for many, especially older workers, the reality is a sudden, stressful scramble. Life just happens. A parent might fall ill and need full-time care. A grown child might face a crisis and need your support. Or maybe it's your own health that starts to send signals. The energy you once had just isn't there anymore, and the demands of a full-time job start to feel crushing. Suddenly, retirement isn't a choice. It's a necessity. Then there's the massive wave of technology transforming our world. Think about artificial intelligence. It's advancing at an incredible speed. So many jobs that involve repetitive tasks are now being automated. Computers can do the work faster and cheaper. For companies looking to cut costs, this is a golden opportunity. And let's be honest, who often bears the brunt of these cuts? Older, more experienced workers who typically have higher salaries. It's a tough reality. Age bias is often silent, but it's very real. Losing a job later in life is more than just a financial hit. It's a blow to your confidence. The thought of finding a new one, especially when you feel like technology has left you behind, can be terrifying. Many people think they're too old to learn new things. Let me tell you, that belief is completely wrong. Learning is a lifelong adventure. So, this brings us to the big question: money. The truth is, most people haven't saved enough for a comfortable retirement, let alone an unexpected early one. For many, their home is their biggest asset, but you can't pay your bills with bricks and mortar. When your regular income suddenly stops, the financial pressure can be immense. It's a scary situation, but I'm here to tell you there's a path forward. You can take control. It all comes down to two crucial steps: proactive planning and continuous self-learning. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about planning. You can't just have one retirement plan. You need to. Your first plan is for your ideal retirement. This is the dream scenario where everything goes according to your timeline and you have all the money you hoped for. But your second and arguably more important plan is your safety retirement plan. This is your contingency plan for the unexpected. What if you have to stop working 5 or even 10 years earlier than you thought? Your safety plan ensures that even if life throws you a curveball, you can maintain your stability. You won't have to panic. Having this safety net doesn't just protect your finances, it protects your peace of mind. It replaces fear with confidence. The second step is just as vital: embrace it. The world is changing, and the best way to protect your income and your career is to change with it. Constantly learning new skills keeps you valuable in the job market. You don't have to become a coding genius overnight. Start small. Maybe it's learning how to use new project management software, getting comfortable with video conferencing tools, or understanding the basics of digital marketing. These technology skills are incredibly helpful. More than that, staying curious keeps your mind sharp and engaged. It turns the fear of the unknown into an exciting challenge. When you combine smart planning with a commitment to learning, everything changes. The prospect of an early retirement stops being a terrifying cliff and becomes a manageable transition. It can even become an opportunity to live a calmer, healthier life where your time is truly your own. It's not about fearing the future, it's about preparing for it. Preparation is what creates peace. It gives you the power to write your own next chapter, no matter what happens. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on navigating your career and finances. See you next time.